Yes, ma'am. Very scared.
Okay, so over to you. Shilpi is presenting story of some hen.
On
कौन
the
सी hen है आपकी? Which,
red hen, the red hen.
okay, okay. So over to you, Shilpi.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Uh,
Where are you?
hello, kids. Good morning. How are you? I hope you all are good. So today your teacher is going to present a new story. Are you excited to listen the story? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yay!
Yes.
So let's start. Okay, before starting the story, first tell me what is this? This is a hen. Hen is
Hen.
of which color? This
Red
is
color.
a red color. Very good. So the name of the story is the red hen. You know, she is very hardworking. She do a lot of hard work. In your home, who do hard work? Your papa do a lot of hard work in the office, right? And your mama too do a lot of hard work in the home and in the office. Yes. Same way, this hen is also very hardworking, and the hen has a three friends, a very lazy friends, a sleepy cat, a noisy duck, and a lazy dog. So one day, his three friends and the hen they went to the farm. What then? The hen found some wheat seeds in the farm. These are the seeds of the wheat. So the hen found the seeds of the wheat in the farm. So what she decided? She decided that I will plant these seeds in the farm. So she decided to ask his friends, "Do you want to help me in planting the seeds?" The lazy dog said, "Not I am so sleepy." The noisy duck said, "Not I want to play." And the sleepy cat said, "Neither I want to sleep too." So the hen said, "Okay, I will do it on my own." So he planted the seeds on the farm. After some days, the seeds grow. They grow. Then the hen decided, now I will cut them and make I will cut them. So he decided, I will ask my friends, "Do you want to help me in cutting these plants?" So the noisy hen said, "No, I want to play." The lazy dog said, "No, I want to sleep. I am very tired." And the cat said, "I want to play with a duck. I can't help you. I am sorry." So the hen said, "Okay, I will cut on my own." So he cut the grains. So he cut the grains. Now he decided that I will take these grains to the mill. This is a mill. This is a factory. What had happened here? We take the grains and we get the flour. So he decided, I will take the grains to the mill and I will make a flour. So again he asked his three friends, "Do you want to help me in making the flour?" So all his three friends said, "No, you do it on your own. We just want to play, we just want to sleep." So the hen said, "Okay, I will do it on my own." Then he got the floor. This is a floor. Now, after doing a lot and lot of hard work, he was very hungry. The hen was very hungry, so he decided, let's make some bread. So again he asked his friends, "Do you want to help me in making a bread?" So his three friends say, "No, we don't want to make. We are very tired and we just want to sleep." So the hen said, "Okay, I will do it on my own." So do you know how to make a bread? First, we take a bowl We put the flour in the bowl. We do a lot of mixing. We put some egg and we put that flour in the oven. This is a oven and we get a very delicious bread. So the hen did the same thing. He took a bowl, he put some flour in it, he do a lot of mixing and he put it in the oven. So he got a very delicious bread. Who like to eat bread? Everyone, right? Yes, I too love to eat bread. So this is a bread. Then hen said, "Okay, now who want to help me in eating this bread?" So his three friends were very hungry. So they said, "I will help you in eating the bread. I will." But the hen, what did the hen said? Can you guess what did the hen said?
No.
Hen said, "No, you didn't help me in any of your work. So I will not let you eat my bread and I will eat it alone." So the hen was eating the bread and all his friends were seeing him. I'm hungry, I'm not getting anything. But he was enjoying it. So, what you learn from this story? That hard working is very important. If you don't do a lot of hard work, you will not get anything in your life. Thank you.
Very nice, very nice.
Very nice. Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice. Well done. Yes. Everyone have already clapped for Shilpi?
Yes, yes, yes,
Yes. If
Yes,
anyone wants
ma'am.
to share anything, wants to add any comment, you may proceed. किसी को कुछ कहना है शिल्पी को?
Super expression.
step सारा props में cover कर दिया story step by step everything she's included everything right from bread making to all the three friends and baking what is baking she has taught even the oven and everything like she has taught a bread making class also she has taken bread making class also along with it
Okay.
very nice.
Very nice. Yes. Anyone else?
My baby also happy to listening your story.
Oh, so nice.
Acha.
He also clapping.
Very good.
Nice
Very good.
expression. It's too good.
Too good. Best. Nice.
ताली बजाओ, ताली बजाओ.
Okay. So thank you, Shilpi. Thank you for your performance. It was very nice presentation.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So should we have one more presentation? मुस्कान का अपना बात हुआ था. आपको करना है मुस्कान आज या फिर कल करेंगे? आप आपकी पिक्चर्स वगैरह रेडी नहीं है ना?
नहीं नहीं मैम रेडी नहीं है
हाँ,
टुमारो
तो
मैम
कल कर लीजिएगा आप. रितिका आपके सब कुछ रेडी है क्या आपका?
मैम मेरा रेडी है बट मैं कल आपको शो करूंगी क्योंकि अभी मेरे प्रॉप्स रेडी नहीं है मतलब ड्राइंग वर्क रेडी है.
ओके.
आई थिंक आपको विजिबल होगा थोड़ा
ओके. हाँ दिख रहा है.
क्योंकि मेरे को लेट पता लगा था ना तो अभी मेरा चल रहा है थोड़ा सा कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ था.
अच्छा.
लाइक दिस.
ओके. लाइक साइकिल ऑफ हनी.
तो मैम आई विल शो यू टुमारो.
ठीक है.
रिलॅक्सेशन थेरपीचं करणार 6 नंबरचा आहे त्याचं पीडीएफ इंग्लिशचं नाही भेटलं
दिलंय ऑलरेडी पाठवले ग्रुप बघा म्हणून. ठीक है. तो अभी आपका रेडी नहीं है तो हम कल करते हैं. ठीक है. आपका प्रेजेंटेशन मुस्कान का प्रेजेंटेशन. ओके. टुमारो अगेन who else wants to prepare and present story? कल का आपका दे दो मुझे.
I will try, ma'am.
ट्राई नहीं कर कंफर्म बताओ.
मैं परसों करूंगी. कल मैं अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करूंगी.
आज करना है प्रिपेयर.
हाँ आज करूंगी तो कल.
हाँ. और 5 स्टोरीज है, 5 राइम्स है, तो आपको डेली ही प्रिपेयर रहना है आपके राइम्स और स्टोरीज के साथ. तो ऐसा ऑप्शन ही नहीं है आपके पास कि आज नहीं कल नहीं परसों. आपको डेली रेडी रहना है. ठीक है. तो रिमेनिंग जितने भी है उनको सबको कल एटलीस्ट एक राइम के साथ रेडी रहना है. आपके प्रॉप्स रेडी होने चाहिए, आपके जर्नल में लिखा हुआ होना चाहिए. नो रीजन नो एक्सक्यूजेस. ठीक है. So today you have to spend time on one story and another tomorrow again whole day is with you. Evening we are meeting, so tomorrow evening you should be ready with your presentation. Okay.
Yes.
Any doubts or queries regarding stories and presentation, because we will continue our previous topic we were left with how should be the preschool teacher, and today we will see how should be the preschool. So if you are having any doubts and queries regarding stories and rhymes and presentation and writing it into the journal, so just let me know if anyone is having any queries, any doubts. किसी को कुछ पूछना है?
मैम
हम्म
मैम दिस इज शिल्पी मैम, मुझे बस ये बोला था इफ यू वांट टू गिव एनी सजेशन, मतलब हम लोगों ने जितना भी दिया है, इफ यू वांट टू गिव एनी सजेशन तो।
नहीं, सबने अच्छा किया, अच्छा ही किया है। वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन पे काम करो सब लोग। आपकी आवाज थोड़ी सी कम आ रही थी मुझे, मैंने फुल वॉल्यूम किया था फिर भी। तो वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन पे सबको ही काम करना है। मतलब जो थ्रू आउट आपका होता है ना, उसमें जितना भी टोन है, जहाँ पे नीचे जाना चाहिए वहां पे नीचे होना चाहिए, जहाँ पे रेज होना है वहां पे रेज होना चाहिए। तो बाकी प्रेजेंटेशन वाइज तो दैट वाज फाइन, नो प्रॉब्लम, but again if you add up with the expressions along with the whatever you are saying in the same emotion, if you will go and add up those expressions, so that will add the quality of your presentation. Okay, so that is the only suggestion, because all of you three perform very nice, so there are not many inputs from my end, but these are all things you may work out. If work out, that will be the up to par kind of presentation. Okay, so well done all of you, and all the best for your next presentation. And those who have not prepared today, please become ready and be prepared. You should not say, oh I'm sorry, I'm having this problem, that problem, not understood. From tomorrow onwards you'll not have these excuses because you are not students, you are teachers, है ना? So teacher needs to be always ready for whatever she has told to present and all. She should be ready. That kind of attitude you need to bring up. Last time itself we were discussed how should be the preschool teacher. So just मुझे बताओ एक एक points जो हमने last time discuss किए थे, teacher कैसी होनी चाहिए? क्या क्या points हमने discuss किए थे?
पेशेंस होना चाहिए मैम,
डिसिप्लिन होने चाहिए।
हाँ,
She should be understanding. Most important of all that you told last time. She should be understanding.
She is friendly with student.
You should motivate with the children.
Lovable.
yes,
Ma'am, active,
Confident.
understanding.
Should be confident, caring, loving, affectionate. Then
Loving, ma'am, loving, friendly.
हाँ, lovable, loving, friendly हो गया।
वो आपने
Understanding,
कहा था
caring.
नीटली भी होनी चाहिए, अच्छा परफेक्ट अच्छा रहना चाहिए नीटली।
हाँ
Understanding.
हाँ, तो प्रेजेंटेबल होनी चाहिए।
हाँ
inspiring होनी चाहिए, inspiring.
हाँ,
फ्लेक्सिबल, नॉलेजेबल,
हाँ,
कॉन्फिडेंट तो हो गया।
कॉन्फिडेंट हो गया।
यस मैम।
एनीथिंग एल्स?
एनकरेजिंग,
Communication skills.
Ma'am, cooperative.
हाँ, और कुछ याद आ रहा है जो हमने डिस्कस किया था?
इंस्पिरेशनल,
हाँ, इंस्पायरिंग होनी चाहिए, हो गया, लिख दिया मैंने। कॉन्फिडेंट होने के लिए मैंने कुछ पैरामीटर्स बोले थे। कौन से पैरामीटर्स है जिसके बेसिस पे टीचर अपना कॉन्फिडेंस शो कर सकती है या फिर कॉन्फिडेंट हो सकती है? क्या पैरामीटर्स थे वो?
Then sympathy and empathy.
She should be well prepared.
हाँ,
knowledge. She should be knowledgeable.
वेल
Knowledgeable and
प्रिपेयर्ड।
well prepared.
हाँ,
Sympathy and empathy,
एक्टिव
ma'am.
लिसनर,
हाँ,
एक्टिव लिसनर,
हाँ, एक्टिव लिसनर अगर वो होगी। कॉन्फिडेंट बिल्ड करने के लिए क्या क्या होना चाहिए? एक्टिव लिसनिंग इज अ पार्ट ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन।
Sympathy and empathy, ma'am.
एम्पैथी
Yes, ma'am.
सिंपैथी वो इमोशन से रिलेटेड है, मतलब लविंग केयरिंग अंडरस्टैंडिंग उसमें आएगा।
जी।
एम्पैथी सिंपैथी अंडरस्टैंडिंग में आएगा। कॉन्फिडेंट बनने के लिए कुछ पैरामीटर्स बोले थे मैंने कि कौन से पैरामीटर्स पे
Knowledgeable.
करोगे?
Knowledgeable.
हाँ,
Positive attitude and knowledgeable.
एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट मैंने पॉइंट बोला
Flexible.
था जो इसमें नहीं है। हाँ,
मैम
Flexible.
फ्लेक्सिबल।
फ्लेक्सिबल। अच्छा,
यस।
Well
कॉन्फिडेंट
prepared.
होने के लिए वेल प्रिपेयर्ड, और क्या बोला था?
Well,
मैम लर्निंग एटीट्यूड।
हाँ,
Well organized.
एवर लर्निंग एटीट्यूड,
yes.
एटीट्यूड।
ये हमने बहुत देर तक डिस्कस किया था, वही आप भूल गए, वो नहीं बताया आप लोगों ने। अगर उसका एवर लर्निंग एटीट्यूड है तो हर चीज से वो सीखेगी और हर बार सीखेगी, तो फिर वो और प्रिपेयर होती जाएगी और फिर वो कॉन्फिडेंट होती जाएगी। तो कॉन्फिडेंट के कुछ
Yes, ma'am.
पैरामीटर्स बोले थे। फिर बाकी हमने कम्युनिकेशन पे भी बहुत अच्छा डिस्कशन किया था। केयरिंग, लविंग, डिसिप्लिन, उसके बाद में अंडरस्टैंडिंग, देन एम्पैथी, सिंपैथी, ये सारी चीजों के बारे में हमने बात की थी। और लास्ट में हमने उसके खुद के प्रेजेंटेशन के बारे में बात की थी। और प्रेजेंटेशन में दो चीजें आती है, जैसे मैंने अपीयरेंस के बारे में आपको बताया कि उसका अपीयरेंस अच्छा होना चाहिए, मतलब वेल ग्रूम्ड, शुड बी वेल ग्रूम्ड। Apart from that, there are two types of presentation. One is a direct presentation and another is an indirect presentation. Now, when you are in the presentation mode, means when you are in the role of teacher, you are teaching to the students, that is what is called as direct presentation. And when you are in that premises but you are not in the role, means you are not presenting or you are not performing at that moment of time, at that moment of time how your body language, gestures and whatever you are speaking with other people and all, how you present yourself, that is what is called as indirect presentation. Now for example, you are teaching in the class and you are telling your students you should be always polite, you should always respect others, you should have a very nice language with everyone. And that day I was given you the example, and then what happened, she is getting some phone and on that phone she is shouting on her maid or whatever, right? Now what is this? This is what is indirect presentation, wherein though she is not presenting in the class, she is shouting on some another occasion on to someone else. But what has happened now? Conflict has happened. Conflict where in that what she is trying to tell to the student and now what exactly she is actually inspiring to do to others. So whenever you are in the premises and if your students are watching you, that is what is, even though you are not in direct presentation role, but somehow they are watching you, so you are in indirect presentation mode because your students are watching you. So these are the two major kind of presentation, and in both the roles you should actually take care of those things. And majorly, if at all you are not in that particular mode of presentation, you should be more conscious. That is what you should always take care of. And even your language, your presentation and everything, you should always take care whenever from, for example, 9 to 9 to 5, whatever is your office timing, within that office timing, you are in the role of teacher. So you need to actually be there in this role, and this quality you should always take care ki all these qualities, yeah, I am yes, checklist is there and I am following all the criteria. So this is how you need to take care of direct and indirect presentation also. So these are the few qualities of teacher we were discussed last time in the last session itself. Now we will move on to the next topic, and that is how should be the preschool. So who wants to share how should be the preschool? कैसे होता है preschool, या फिर आपको क्या लगता है preschool या primary school कैसे होना चाहिए? Yes, any inputs?
प्लेफुल एनवायरनमेंट होना चाहिए, प्लेफुल एनवायरनमेंट होना चाहिए।
मैम थोड़ा कलरफुल होना चाहिए, लाइक वॉल्स एंड एवरीथिंग, और सेफ्टी पर्पस के हिसाब से लाइक ऐसे ऑर्गेनाइज तरीके से रखा होना चाहिए।
हाँ,
अट्रैक्टिव होना चाहिए, कलरफुल होना चाहिए।
यस, रिपीट करो।
Child should be curious to come to school. He should be very excited to come to school. Once he sees the school, he should the next day also he should be excited to come to school. It's not that कि रोए घर पे मुझे स्कूल नहीं जाना है, वैसा वाला एटमोस्फेयर नहीं चाहिए बच्चे को. He should be very happy and eager to go to school. Like he should get the hands-on experience with toys and fruits and domestic animals, wild animals, props, and all those things. In a very play way method, he should be taught the things like in the school. So the child will get excited to come to the school then.
Okay. Anything else? Any input for pre-primary or primary school premises?
Garden should be
Environment?
compulsory.
हाँ,
कहते हैं environment
Garden.
काफी फ्रेंडली होना चाहिए बच्चों के लिए, then they will feel homely.
ओके, फ्रेंडली होना चाहिए, गार्डन होना चाहिए, और that's
The
it.
teachers, the teacher should be very welcoming and very kind, so that the child will be very happy to come to school to meet the teacher also. Most important of all. If he doesn't like the teacher, her attitude, he will start crying then.
Okay. Anything else?
कि स्कूल पूरा टीचर पे ही डिपेंड होता है मैम. अगर टीचर्स अच्छे होंगे तो स्कूल भी अच्छे. स्कूल अगर चाहे कितना भी कलरफुल हो, अगर टीचर से
ठीक है ना, हमने टीचर की क्वालिटीज देख ली, अभी स्कूल पे आते हैं. टीचर अच्छी होनी चाहिए, टीचर से ही स्कूल है, समझ में आ गया. तो फिर अभी स्कूल पे बढ़ते हैं कि स्कूल बेसिकली कैसा होना चाहिए. थोड़ा सा प्रीमाइसेस के बारे में कुछ इनपुट्स आपने दिए हैं. इफ एनी अनदर इनपुट अदर देन टीचर्स क्वालिटी, प्लीज लेट मी नो. कुछ और इनपुट्स है आपकी तरफ से?